97 right there. It's a popular news station here in New York, so yeah. New York, yeah.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass.
Shit. So drink your tea. Like you said.
My medicine too, but it ain't doing it.
Oh, that felt good.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space.
Let's go. You eat these too?
I don't know.
I think so.
Try it.
I ain't got no taste.
Yeah.
You don't have no taste. Drink back grass. Very good.
A little bit more. Are you ready? No pressure, okay?
Okay.
You ready?
Ooh. Nice. Is the rice? Is there?
Yeah, rice. I bring the rice.
Okay.
saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag saucy drippin' swag do. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag saucy drippin' swag do. Oh.
They're trying to finish the drink though. Hear me? I'm trying to finish the drink, I don't want to waste your money. Liquored up and tipsy. Oh, child. I can barely walk. Maybe buying hats and they got a bunch of hats. no reason, like, no Times Square. I'm tipsy. Store. We're going to the Yankee store. For the Yankee shorts, Yankee hats. Yankee.
Typically don't do that. A notable exception the last 6 years won the Chicago Cubs.
Oh, they got the cups.
To get a role as Chapman, Theo Epstein feeling like he would be a finishing piece.
21 down to Verdugo's. Tyon looks real good early in this one.
Oh, this is cute. I like that.
Bogarts in only a 10-pitch first inning.
That Jeter? Jeter? She just got married. I think she just got married. Lincoln Center Theater. Morning. It's Monday. Back to work again. I swear the weekend be going by so damn fast. How the fuck is it coming on so fast? Well, yeah. So I'm trying to get this train. I'm not late, but women. The way I'm annoyed right now, irritated and annoyed. I'm like 20 minutes late for work. So it's at 11, and the effing the A train, got on the A train, and then say it's going local, and there's the extras behind. Got off, wait for the extras to pull up, just to go on the train. Had us waiting for like 5 minutes, and then without no announcement, talk about a local train, like you start going next up on local stuff. Like, what the fuck? Getting pissed, friggin' upset. Like, my Monday is starting off rough already, man. All right, I'm almost at work, so I'm gonna let my rest of my day go smooth. Cause I'm gonna go to Park real quick. It's after 7. They're already doing TikToks. They're cute. I'm gonna go to Park real quick and see what they're doing. And they're not doing anything exciting. Oh my god, today's Monday. Today's movie night. Oh shit. Damn. I should have bought a train to close. I keep forgetting. Oh man. Oh yeah, sending stuff. What movie they seen today? I don't even remember. Look off. I'm about to look on the thing right now. Hold on. I thought it was Rihanna. Tiana Taylor. Like, that shit is cute. Hot spots. Well, let me go Bryant Park real quick. See what they're about to do. Yes, man. Alright. Well, today is 11. They playing Wayne's World 2. Can't really see it, but it is. Last time I was all the way back there sitting down because I didn't have both of my vaccination, so they told me to sit all the way in the back. And it was raining, and it started raining, and the movie took forever to start, and I left. Yeah. What movie was it again? I forgot what movie it was. Damn. Yeah, I didn't even put that in no vlog or nothing because I'm like, ugh. But I think I'm about to go over there. Hold on. The movie not started no time soon. I never saw the movie before, but I don't think I'm staying because they be taking forever to start the movie, and I gotta work early in the morning. So yeah. But it's a nice vibe, right? Look, everybody on the floor with their blanket, and then this line is a giveaway. So I'm gonna try to see if I can win something. Probably it's a long ass line, but I'm gonna try. Oh, yes, I do. It's another YouTuber out here. Out here. There he go right there. He's vlogging too. But I need to come back next week. So I get a so late though, but see, it's still got space. Well, not really. And right here they're doing a giveaway, so I don't know. When I go up there, I gotta get the full information.
This is the line to place spin to win it. If you just want popcorn, you can just walk right up and down.
Oh, spin it to win it. You just want a fire stick. That guy over there not. At least you get to win something. You're not gonna lose at all. So you still get to win something. Either you pick, or you win a fire stick, or you win a water bottle, or a pyramid subscription. Still win something. And you know we like free stuff, so we over here.
Let's hear it!
What you winning? Man, move, man. So somebody just want a fire stick. Somebody just want a water bottle. I think I want a water bottle. I have a fire stick already. I want a water bottle. This man right here getting my nerves because he's blocking everybody. Shit is getting tight. Anything you want. I'm the next one. My turn now. Oh, damn. Congratulations. I don't want that. Come on over now. Okay. See what I win.
Looking like a choice between anything you want. A water bottle, fire stick, or Paramount Plus.
I'll take the fire stick. I'll take the fire stick.
Right on over there.
Thank you. Hi. I'll take the fire stick.
Fire stick?
Yeah.
Excellent. Congratulations. If you'd like to
Thank you.
You can step over here.
Oh. Ketchup. I want a fire stick. They doing it every month. I mean every month. Every Mondays. And yeah, so I don't know if they're gonna have the same stuff, but she said they be there every Monday. So I'm going back next Monday because honestly I don't know why I didn't take the water bottle. That's what I really wanted. Like, cause I'm like I have a fire stick already. Why didn't I just take the? But honestly, my fire stick been acting up, so I just choose it. But I wanted a water bottle too. I'm gonna go back next Monday and get the water bottle. But yeah, go home. See, it's a good thing I went over there, right? Who don't love free stuff? I do. Tired. Oh, child. He got the crispy chicken sandwich. He loved that. Actually, it tastes good. My first time having it. He had a shirt on, but he decided to take it off because he was too hot, I guess. And then when he did take it off, because I don't know why his father put a wife beater on the marina on that shirt because it's summertime. He don't need that. But anyways, so cute. We came to the party and Kimani took it off because he was hot. And I see that he was out too because when he took the shirt off, his back was sweating. So. Putting that in his face. I'm gonna dress today. My shoes I got from Shein. I was looking at this bag because I can fit stuff in it. Yo. So we do this thing with Kimani where we be like, we're gonna fight because we play fair with him. And just now, my hair look crazy. And just now I'm like. That's not. I'm like, you wanna fight? And I went like this on him, and this little boy punched me off my mouth. That's funny, Kimani. It's not funny.
Not funny.
It's not funny. Why you did that? That. Oh my god. What? Yo, this is the first time I actually see a trailer. Yo, he snuffed me right here in my mouth. I have to laugh because I'm like, did you really just do that? Boys, cannot play with boys. He play rough. I used to play fight with him, but after I noticed that he really be like trying to fight, I'm like, go do that with your father, not me. My baby. This is my first time actually seen a trailer. Like a trailer right there. That's cool. I want to do that one day. Like drive around in a trailer for like a day or two or something. Like that is a good experience, I think, right? I want to do that. They got a nail salon. A nail salon in Walmart. The hair salon too, but that one is closed. They got a bank. Yo, it's crazy I can't eat this because this right here, strawberry parfait. That looks so freaking good. We got the cheesecakes right here. The mini one. The New York cheesecake. This is. I can't eat no cake. I don't know why I'm standing here. They got birthday cake in here too. Alright. Come on. No cake. Come on. No cake. Come on. No cake. Ooh, cornbread. I ain't had this in so long. How much is this? No, I have cornbread in the house. I don't need to make it. I have so many cornbread. I have like 3. Come on, get the bread. Honey wheat bread. No. This one. That one. Yeah. So you picked up last time. So don't act like you don't know. Don't act like that. Don't do that. What else do you need? I said, come on, which one you want? I put that this and this. He put my hand in the car like to put both of them down. But look at this. Look at this pizza. It's $1. A mini pizza. Like, what? They got the cheese one too. Wow. Walmart is the place to be. But I'd rather get a good size one though. But I'm just saying these look cute. For $1, you know when you want to eat pizza, but you don't want to eat pizza. Like you want to go in on the pizza. Cause I know this is like really small. I'm trying to see if I should get this one or this one that I got. The other one that I bought. The cauliflower. Come on, do you want pizza? No. You know what? I saw something on TikTok the other day. It says, why the hot dog buns be 8 and then the hot dogs be like 10 or 12 or something like that, right? That makes a lot of sense. Come on, Papa. That makes so much sense because why is that? Maybe apple cider vinegar. Here's a Walmart brand. Oh, okay. This. You gotta go to Dollar Tree and get the bigger one. I'm trying to see if I should buy the Chick-fil-A sauce. Should I get this one? I don't know. I need a sauce for my French fries though. I have some. I bought some more veggie burgers. So yeah, I'm gonna eat that with it. That bread is for Kimani because I bought this bread for myself. This is wheat too, and I bought this. But I think I'm gonna put this back. But I bought the wheat bread for Kimani. But yeah, come on, baby. So look they have Aki for $10. Like, cookies and cream. 40 grams of sugar. Eat some mackerel. I don't think I eat some mackerel. I'm gonna eat some dirty gal. I need chicken seasoning. But I don't think they have it. I got no chicken seasoning. Sardine. Then the macaroni. I have Grace and they have Excelsior. I just took them on these with Kimani because the Excelsior brand. Because I made curry chickpeas. Oh my god! The first time I had made it, I didn't make it. Oh, see me? Found them. I made like 2 of these. Oh, I love these. But yeah, these are mini ones. Why are they too small? Yeah, I was saying I made some curry chickpeas. Oh my god, tastes so good. The first time I made it, I didn't let it cook down properly, but the second time I made it, it was so soft and nice. Now I understand why people do that. Now I understand why people make curry chickpeas and eat it with rice and broccoli because it tastes good. So I'm in the McDonald's. Kimani got picked up already. I'm in the McDonald's waiting for these people to come and it's pouring. I'm on the roller, but still. These people is late. They always freaking late, man. So I just got off the van. I'm back in New York, but I am starving. I cannot go on that train without eating because it's gonna be like an hour. I didn't eat nothing when I was out there. Let's realize that. I fed Kimani, but I didn't eat nothing. I was really going to Burger King and get some fries, but I didn't eat nothing. But I'm about to eat this food because I'm starving. I had oatmeal this morning for breakfast and that was it. It's like, I think it's about to be 9 o'clock right now. 8:50 something. I don't know. They ain't raised this price. First time I bought this, it was $7. Now it's $9. You're lucky I'm hungry. I don't ever put this shit. So when I go home, I don't want to be doing nothing. Take a shower and take my ass to sleep. Well, I'm not gonna go to sleep, but just lay down. I'm tired. These two people taste really good. Train station, the A train don't work. Go stop at this train station, but I gotta walk at 160. I'm at 180 something, 81st. And I gotta walk to one. I can take the bus. I'll take the bus to 168. Take the train from there. Because the train don't stop right here at 176. It's always messed up on the weekends. There's always something. Bread right here is so freaking nice. I'm trying to so hard. It's so hard. I'm not trying to eat no bread right now. Look at that tutti frutti. Crack cake and coconut drops. I don't look so dark right now. I don't know. And they have bun. They still have bun, national bun. But I small one want. Did I get a big one? Or this one. Let me get this one last time. But I think I'm gonna get this one. Might as well. Right? I'm gonna do that. But yeah, so I register right now. Oh, I'm looking for some tigers. Because these see tigers the other day. I need some snacks, man. I don't got no snacks. Sorry. I don't need that. The bun, I don't need it. Huh? What is that?
No, vlog.
Oh, vlog, yes.
Oh, yeah. Hi.
Oh, you want to be in there? I don't want to put your face in there. Hi. I didn't want to put your face in there, you know? Okay, how much is that? Oh, the bacon? Okay, that's fine.
In the back?
No, I have one. Oh, sorry. In my grocery bag. I hope it don't pop. Oh, it's so hot. I need a shower. It's fucking hot. No, thank you. I don't got time to stop right now. I'm always here. I don't got time to stop. I'm hot. The girl was like, she was like, vlog? I didn't hear what she said at first. She was like, vlog? Vlog? Yes, girl, I'm vlogging. Just came home. Another shower. Groceries. Grocery haul. 2 cheesies. I need to get some cheese tomorrow. I'm gonna work early tomorrow, so I'm gonna get some cheese. That's some white banana. I saw these mini cinnamon bagels. I haven't had cinnamon bagels in forever. So the small ones, I can get them for work. And I'll bring banana and watermelon. Yeah, back to watching YouTube. See y'all later.